Want to control apps, block adult content, and manage screen time on your child's iPhone? Here's how to set up parental controls step by step. Open Settings on the iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Set a screen time passcode and confirm it. If asked, enter your Apple ID for recovery. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn the toggle on. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Set installing apps to Don't Allow. Set in-app purchases to Don't Allow. Go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Tap Web Content. Choose Limit Adult Websites or Allowed Websites Only. This blocks unsafe or adult content. Go back to Screen Time. Tap App Limits, then Add Limit. Choose apps like games or social media. Set a daily time limit and tap Add. That's it. Your child's iPhone is now protected. Follow for more iPhone parenting tips.